download Visual Studio Code. Is this one. This one is different than Visual Studio, which is the purple one, which is C++. So this one we can download in Windows. There's many other options right here. Right here there is Mac. Right here is Windows. Right here is Linux. So they give you an option. Okay. Right now you click that and it's just like going to download. Right here is showing up. Right here you can download the extension. So basically is C#, Visual Studio, also Jupyter Notebook, also different kind of thing, and also you can download Python as well. There's a lot of things that you can download. It's the same way as PyCharm, but a little bit different. So we're going to open this. Okay, you need to put agree, next. Okay, just add to the path. Okay, next. Install. Do not exit out this one, because right now it's downloading, it's installing to your computer. It will take time to install it. So once it is installed, it will ask you finish. Right there, not click anything, just leave it like how it is. If it doesn't show you this arrow, just click on it. Finish. Once it's finished, it will show you this. Let's see. Okay, it will show you this. Now you say new file. Also, you can go right here. It's run and debug. Right here is to install. Okay, we want Python installing. Which is going to be right here, show you Jupyter Notebook. So right here down to setting, right here it will show you like how many does it have. Then you need to debug it. It will show you like what to do right here. So we just first installing it. So both of them are installing. So right now we're going to do, we have Jupyter installed since we saw Python right away. Also right here they give you language.
Don't be shy, click the like button and subscribe to be part of the family. Also, have some announcement. Thank you for 18 subscribers. Share the video and have an amazing day with coding.